can also do a blepharoplasty, just removing the under eye bags through the making an incision through the lower eyelid inside. Blepharoplasty is a procedure which is done to rejuvenate skin, whatever changes that happens with aging around the eyeballs, whether it's upper eyelid or lower eyelid, we call that procedure as blepharoplasty. Periorbital rejuvenation can be done non-surgically using radio frequency. So eye thermage is an FDA approved procedure for minimal skin tightening in the periorbital area.